In oil and gas production, freezing pipes aren't just inconvenient, they're costly. Cold weather can shut down wells, damage equipment, and create serious safety risks. In this video, we'll examine this challenge, explain why traditional fiberglass insulation often fails, and show how Kimray insulated covers provide a more reliable, safer, and longer-lasting solution. Traditionally, fiberglass insulation has been the go-to choice because it's readily available, relatively inexpensive, and carries a high insulation rating. But while fiberglass looks good on paper, its performance in real-world conditions often falls short. Kimray insulated covers, which used closed-cell polyethylene foam instead of fiberglass, are a superior solution for long-lasting freeze protection. Here are some of the most common challenges producers face with fiberglass insulation and how Kimray insulated covers provide a better solution. Fiberglass insulation is extremely vulnerable to weather. Exposure to wind, rain, and snow quickly compromises its ability to perform. Kimray insulated covers, on the other hand, are built for durability. Each cover has an FR-treated poly shell that is chemical, UV, and abrasion resistant. The insulation is aluminum-backed, which means on the outside it repels wind, rain, snow, dust, and dirt. And on the inside, it reflects heat back into the pipe or valve, keeping the systems warmer and reducing freezing risk. This outer shell also protects it from wildlife and human damage. Rodents and insects often chew through exposed fiberglass insulation to create nests, and operators often inadvertently compromise it by stepping on it or leaning against it. The durable shell on the insulated covers is built to resist abrasion and wear and protect the foam core against intrusion. Rodents don't find it as enticing as fiberglass insulation, and it can be stepped on or leaned against without compromising its integrity. Fiberglass insulation depends on air pockets to maintain its R value. When it's compromised, whether during installation or normal use, its effectiveness drops significantly. Insulated covers used closed-cell polyethylene foam that has a higher R value inch for inch than traditional fiberglass insulation. The foam cannot be compressed in the same way fiberglass can, making it more reliable. Because of its efficiency, covers can remain thin, flexible, and useful even in tight spaces and around small valves. Moisture destroys fiberglass insulation. It easily absorbs water, which leads to multiple problems. Once saturated, its R value drops to 0. Wet fiberglass insulation not only doesn't prevent freezing, it can actually promote it. Constant moisture against pipes leads to corrosion, often hidden until damage is severe. Over time, fiberglass insulation becomes waterlogged, heavy, and difficult for operators to handle. Kimray insulated covers are hydrophobic, meaning they do not absorb water. Their performance is not reduced by rain, snow, or condensation. This means no waterlogging, no added weight, and no corrosion hidden underneath it. Installing fiberglass insulation typically requires cutting, drilling, and fastening tin cladding for protection. This process can damage equipment and introduce sharp edges around your site. Fiberglass also causes skin irritation and can even create respiratory issues when handled. Fiberglass insulation is difficult to remove and reinstall. This makes maintenance, inspections, and LDAR scans more time-consuming and costly. Each time it's handled, it loses more of its insulating effectiveness. Kimray insulated covers avoid all these issues. With industrial-grade Velcro closures, they are easy to install and require no cutting, drilling, or tin cladding, reducing the risk of injury. The industrial-grade Velcro closures on our insulated covers are rated for 20,000 pulls. They can be quickly installed, removed, and reapplied without losing performance. That means easier access to equipment and faster turnaround on inspections. Beyond cold weather protection, insulated covers provide a few year-round benefits. They protect against ambient heat spikes to maintain process temperature stability in hot weather as well, just like an insulated cup retains temperature, hot or cold. They shield ports and components from debris that could clog or damage equipment in dusty or desert environments. And with more electric controllers in the field, they help safeguard electronics and digital displays from sun damage. Fiberglass insulation has served the industry for decades, but is limited by moisture absorption, corrosion, compression, safety concerns, and short service life. Kimray Insulated covers solve those problems. They stay lightweight, resist damage, repel the elements, and deliver consistent performance season after season. Contact your local Kimray representative today to discuss how insulated covers can protect your operation.